Welcome to the Authoring Tool Exploration video on Lectora Online. Today I'll be showing you different features of Lectora Online. I have already signed in. I am using the 30-day free trial for Lectora Online, and we're going to go ahead and get started to build a new title. So we'll click on New Blank Title. That'll take us to a new screen. And as you can see, as it loads, it has many different options, and it first pops up with where you want to start. You can either start with a blank title, open an existing title, there's templates, and the title wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click on the title wizard just so that I know I prefer to use the title wizard so that I'm including all the important parts for a standard e-learning course. So then click OK. And so as you work through this, it's step by step. As being a first-time person on Lectora Online, I feel that this is going to guide me through and make sure that I have everything I need. As I get more comfortable with the program, I'd be willing to try out the blank template. So we will title this as Lectora Online Authoring Tool Exploration. As you can see, it just asks questions that you need to answer yes or no. So I'm going to add a course introduction for the learners, and I'm going to include a help page. There are different themes. There's autumn, black metal, retro, and wispy. I'm going to go ahead and go with retro. You could also include your company's logo, such as if that's your school mascot or things such as that. And then you need learning objectives for this course. So if I was doing this for, let's say, how to implement technology in the classroom, how to collaborate with others that are implementing technology in the classroom. And then there's going to be topics that you are going to list. So within those topics, you may add such things such as different technologies. So we have Twitter and Google. You can just add those. And then this is what it's going to look like. Do you want it to be pages or sections and pages? I'm just going to go ahead and go pages with one page. And I'm not going to add an introduction yet. Oops. I'm just going to keep going through these, but as you can see, I'm able to add in all these different things such as knowledge check, the summary. So it goes through, your organization, your introduction, your learning objectives, your summary, and then your knowledge check. And then I'm going to add course summary. I don't need a test for this, but you could add a test, and we will not do results showing, or we will do student feedback. Sorry, I was reading that the wrong way. And then a conclusion page. So as that processes, you can see that this is a web-based platform. And so we have our authoring tool over here, starting with our welcome. On the side, it has our course objectives, with then Twitter and Google, our summary and our course conclusion, all things that we placed in there. It looks to be as though Lectora Online allows the use of inserting different things. For the multimedia principle, you can include words and images. For the modality principle, you're able to use words, and you're able to record yourself using audio and things such as that. When I'm adding different things, I can use the continuality principle where I place printed words near corresponding graphics. It looks as if I can have a character, and I can use that character to use my conversational words in a human voice for the personalization principle. And I'm able to also have those bite-sized segments for the segmenting principle. So I'm limited them down to things such as Twitter and Google, and I can add things in there as well. So it also looks like you can add a test. Those are things that we did not include on ours when we were using the wizard, and different tools that you might want to use. You can view it, and then that is really the nuts and bolts to Lectora Online. And here was the design, but since we used that wizard, that was able to help us through different things. So for Lectora Online, this is just a quick overview of how you might use it to create an e-learning class.